RFID technology is an innovative application for the intelligent management of electric vehicle batteries, which greatly improves the safety and convenience of electric vehicle use. By introducing RFID technology into the field of electric vehicle battery management, we can achieve real-time tracking and monitoring of battery information, thereby ensuring the safe use of batteries and reducing potential risks. Specifically, by installing RFID tags on each electric vehicle battery, we can give each battery a unique identification code. When the battery is installed on an electric vehicle or brought into a specific management area, the RFID reader can quickly identify and record the battery status information. This information includes but is not limited to the battery's power, charge and discharge times, health status, etc., thus providing us with a comprehensive and accurate battery usage record. With the help of RFID technology, we can achieve intelligent management of electric vehicle batteries. For example, when the battery power is too low, the system will automatically remind the user to charge in time. When the battery is abnormal, the system will issue an alarm to prompt the user to check or repair. In addition, through RFID technology, we can also conduct statistical analysis on the use of electric vehicle batteries, providing strong data support for the optimal design and production of batteries. The application of RFID technology not only improves the level of intelligence in electric vehicle battery management, but also enhances the user experience. Users can check the real-time status of the battery at any time through mobile phones or other smart devices, understand the battery usage, and make more reasonable usage decisions. At the same time, RFID technology also provides strong technical support for the anti-theft and traceability of electric vehicle batteries, effectively reducing the risk of battery theft or abuse. RFID readers are installed at the door openings of self-built houses in urban villages and the entrances and exits of residential building lobbies. At the same time, the phone numbers and other information of electric bicycle users are registered, and the identification tags of electric bicycle batteries are connected and installed. Once an electric bicycle with an RFID identification tag enters the identification area of the RFID reader, an active alarm will be issued to inform it not to enter. At the same time, the alarm will be transmitted to the background monitoring center through wireless transmission. The staff of the background monitoring center will contact the on-site owner, landlord, and general manager through telephone, text messages, etc. to inform them which specific owner brought the electric bicycle into the doorway. The landlord and the general manager promptly stop the electric bicycle from entering the house through on-site video and door-to-door inspection. In short, RFID technology has many advantages in the intelligent management of electric vehicle batteries entering the house, and its application prospects are very broad. We look forward to the future development of RFID technology to further promote the intelligent process of the electric vehicle industry and bring more convenience and safety to people's lives.